Great rising, my beautiful people. As y'all can see, I am back at the land. And for you guys who don't know, I am McCoy the Creator. So if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. So today I don't plan on doing much because it's already in the middle of the day. And I try to get over here during the morning hours, the early AM hours, because it's not as hot. I'm just going to get this pile burnt behind me. And that's all I'm gonna do today, and then I'll be back tomorrow. So let's get busy again. Today I'm just gonna clear this pile, go ahead and burn it and get it out the way so I can start tackling the rest of this area with cutting these trees down. And like I said, now I'm gonna, as I cut them down, I'm gonna go ahead and burn them so I won't have piles just sitting around. so I almost got this pile finished, but I'm stopping for right now for today. See, I got a little bit more left to go. That pile is almost gone. I cut up more wood, so again, I got to figure out what I'm gonna do with this wood. And I'm gonna burn the rest of this in my burn barrel when I come back tomorrow. But as you can see, the pile is almost gone. So I'm working on clearing this area.